Hello bakers, this week I'm making peanut butter cookies by Nicola. She has a Substack called Kitchen Projects, so it's my first time trying one of her recipes and I thought it seemed like a good place to begin. So first up it's butter. It's meant to be softened but I gave it a little blitz in the microwave, hence some liquid bits, but you know, it works out. And then peanut butter, she uses smooth but I only had crunchy, so I thought I would use that. And then it's light brown sugar, lots of lovely light brown sugar, and some caster sugar. But I ran out of caster sugar, as you can see by my frantic bag emptying there. So I just added some more light brown sugar. It's sugar. It's fine. And then that gets all beaten together, not until it's like fluffy, but just until it's combined and kind of creamed. And then adding in an egg and mixing it until smooth and just kind of scraping down the edges of the bowl, making sure it's all incorporated and nicely mixed together. And then adding in some plain flour and some bicarbonate of soda, and then giving that another mix together. I did decide to add some flaky sea salt here because at the end of the recipe she says you can add a bit more on top, but she doesn't say where to add it in the recipe. And she's got like having a half teaspoon of flaky sea salt, so I was like, I'll do that. And then you're weighing it out into balls. As you can see, I'd already started to do it, and then I realised I didn't add any chocolate, which is an option. You can add in chunks of chocolate, so I had to like alter the size of the balls, and then I'm adding a bit more flaky sea salt. I don't think it was double the amount, like I don't think it was just the half teaspoon on top. There must have been some in there too. So popping that on top and then into the oven. Just so easy. Okay, they've had about 10 minutes. I left them on the sheet because they were still quite soft in the middle, so I thought maybe they needed a bit longer, but they're like nicely golden brown. They spread really nicely. Look. Delicious. It's got a really nice crunch around the edge. And it's got this kind of dense, sticky, almost gooey. Delicious. Also got that nutty saltiness. Very good. I mean, a cookie's a cookie, but I think that's very, very good. And obviously I didn't use quite the right sugars. I mean, it should still work pretty well, and I think it did. So I'm interested to see what it'd be like with the, sorry, I'm just shoving it in my face, what it'd be like with the caster sugar. And yeah, if I did chocolate or added some salted peanuts, but that is a success for me. I hope you enjoyed this week. I loved these cookies and I've made them again, and let me know if you make them, and I'll see you next time.